Hello, my name's Robert. I'm a director of sales here at IMI, and we're really excited to show you some of the great products that we have and we're showcasing here at PACK Expo. So one of the things that we're looking at right now is some of our vacuum generator products. So a few different key features that we have that really allow you to better utilize this product within your equipment is if you've got a dirty environment or there's a lot of dust or anything that's within your overall environment, these are complete pass-through vacuum generators or Venturis. So that allows us to operate no matter how much dust is in the environment, which is really fantastic for pick and place. We do everything from the vacuum generators to the cups that are on the bottom and even these thrusters that we have here. A lot of people ask questions, what's with the basketball, right? Why is this basketball here? What this is showing is one of our adjustable air amplifiers. So really the working end of this product is down over here, right? We would put a vacuum cup on this side and it'd be able to have a ton of grip strength on whatever non-conforming product that you have that you're trying to grab, pick, and place into a different area. The exhaust is amplified, giving you a better flow through this product, and then here we have what is called the Coanda effect, coupled with the Bernoulli effect that spins this ball and lifts it and holds it in place. There's no strings attached. This will drop right out of place when you stop the flow. Come check us out at PACK Expo.